Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acronym. 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 Acronym is a word formed from the initial letters of a longer phrase or name. These initial letters are pronounced together as a single word. Acronyms are commonly used to simplify long or complex terms and make communication more efficient. They can be found in various fields, from technology and science to everyday language. Here are some examples. Example number 1. NASA is a well-known acronym that stands for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Why acronym is used in example number 1. Acronyms, like NASA, simplify lengthy organization names for easier reference. Example number 2. VIP guests have access to an exclusive lounge at the event. Why acronym is used in example number 2. VIP is the acronym for very important person. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.